Good morning, dear children. This is your chapter number 11. Today we will do book exercise of this chapter, the discontented fir tree. This exercise we will do in notebook, okay, in English literature. Now you have to do exercise number B in your book. So take out your English literature book, then write classwork, mention today's date. After that, we have to, in exercise V1, we have to read the lesson carefully and look for the words and phrases for something, then write them in the blanks. Like the wood fairy touched the fir tree with something. We have to change this word with words and phrases. Those are given in the chapter. So you have to read the chapter for this. I have written here, you can see here, the wood fairy touched the fir tree with. I have forgotten to write with here, okay? You write with her magic wand. आप यहाँ पर with write करिए, उसके बाद her magic wand, okay? With her magic wand. The sparkling glass leaves broke into something. Yes, the sparkling glass leaves broke into small pieces. The billy goat said something to the fir tree. The billy goat said, "We are hungry. We will eat them all up." बिली गोट्स ने क्या कहा कि हम हंग्री हैं और हम सारी लीव्स खा जाएंगे टू द फिर ट्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डू योर वर्क विद मी. ओके, I hope that you have done it. Now let's move to the next page. Finally, the fir tree said to the wood fairy, "I'll never be something again." Finally, the fir tree said to the wood fairy, "I'll never be discontented or unhappy again." Finally, the fir tree said, finally fir tree ने क्या कहा कि मैं अब कभी भी discontented और unhappy नहीं होऊंगा दोबारा. Opposites. Dis. Read the following sentences. Everyone dislikes a dishonest person. The opposite of like is made by writing dis before it. जो opposite है like का, उसको क्या लगाने से बन गया? ओनली उसके आगे हमने डिस ऐड कर दिया और वो opposite बन गया डिसलाइक. लाइक मीन्स पसंद करना, डिसलाइक मीन्स ना पसंद करना. Honest means ईमानदार, dishonest means बेईमान. Okay, the opposite of honest is made by writing dis before it. You can see here dishonest. Okay, so dis means not. Dis का मतलब क्या होता है? नहीं. Dislike means नापसंद, not like. Disobey means जो कि आज्ञा का पालन ना करता हो किसी के, तो वो क्या हुआ? Disobey, not obey. Write this before the following words and then write the complete word. I have written here, you can see I have written discontented, dishonest, displeased, disagree, disobedient and disappear. आपको पता ही है डिस का मतलब क्या होता है? नॉट. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस? नॉट मीन्स डिसऑनेस्ट means not honest. Displeased means not pleased. Disagree means not agree. Disobedient means not obedient. Disappear means not appear. So fill in the blanks with words from the above list. Now we have to fill these blanks with the above list. Okay, I have filled here, you can see. Look, the moon is going to disappear behind the clouds. देखो, जो चंद्रमा है वो छिपने जा रहा है बादलों के अंदर. The discontented fir tree lived in a thick forest. A disobedient child does not do what his parents and teachers tell him to do. Mr. Gill, your son is very rude. Mrs. Verma, no, I disagree. He is very polite child. Yes, the number 5 is Lalo tells lies and steals things. He is a dishonest person. D-I-S-H-O-N-E-S-T. Right here, dishonest. Okay. So this is your exercise number B. Now, in the next part of the video, we will do the remaining exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.